Byasa Cafe by Studio ASA in Bandung, Indonesia. A project born from an open brief and a desire to create a unique sanctuary in the midst of urban chaos, Byasa stands out with its narrow face and unpredictable wide pocket area. This cafe presents a rare opportunity to design a space that offers breathing room in the midst of a hectic environment. The genesis of this project lies in the exploration of creating lasting memories for its customers. The design focuses on infusing the space with comfort and healing, leaving a lasting impression on all who visit. One key aspect is to create lasting memories through sensory experiences. Byasa is designed to engage all the senses, defining a series of spaces that create an integrated experience and lead visitors on a sequential journey through space, from the moment they approach the facade to the time they sit down to enjoy their food. Focusing on arousing curiosity through the facade, the idea of a hole leading to another place represents a threshold between the outside world and the sanctuary of the cafe. By not revealing everything at once, the facade invites visitors to engage with the space in a more active and imaginative way. The transition at Byasa Cafe is a carefully crafted experience that begins with a pathway lined with mirrors, vegetation, and trees. These mirrors reflect the surroundings, creating a sense of motion. Despite the intensity of the experience, the pathway is designed to be simple and approachable, avoiding any sense of intimidation or sacredness. The goal is to slow the pace of visitors, encouraging them to take a few moments to be present and mindful of their surroundings. A glimpse of light strategically placed draws attention to areas such as the entrance, creating a sense of depth and guiding visitors through the space. Warm and welcoming atmospheres are created, especially when light is diffused through materials like glass. Continuing the sensory journey, the moment of stepping into the interior space is emphasized as visitors approach the glass door. A glimpse of light peeks through, signaling a transition from the outside world to the interior sanctuary of the cafe. The interior of Byasa Cafe is designed to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere reminiscent of a cottage. Visual elements such as warm lighting and natural colors contribute to the overall sense of coziness. The decor is chosen to create a homey feel, focusing on a space that feels welcoming and inviting. The sense of expansion and varying heights of the ceiling create a spatial sequence that guides visitors through the cafe, leading them on a journey of discovery. The climax of this spatial journey is the unexpected area at the end, where visitors are greeted by a wide-open space filled with trees, surrounded by mirrors. The reflection of vegetation and trees moved by the wind creates a sense of motion and blurs the edges, creating a distraction from the surrounding urban environment. The mirrors create a visual illusion that makes the space feel more natural and secluded despite being surrounded by neighboring buildings. The intense repetition of materials and vertical elements at Byasa Cafe serves a dual purpose: to create a cohesive and harmonious aesthetic and to make visitors more aware of their environmental conditions. The interplay of light and foliage acts as a constant distraction and perpetual motion. Byasa Cafe embraces the autumn vibe through rustling leaves and the vibrant colors of vegetation, such as purple fountain grass and gravel as ground cover. These warm colors evoke a strong desire for coziness and comfort.